Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating a clean area at the crown and working outward. This keeps tension balanced. Once done, take a 0.5-inch section, detangle and apply a small amount of pomade to smooth cuticles. This helps grip. Next, use the loop tool to pull one natural strand through the microloc loop, fold and tighten. Make sure to anchor the first row firmly, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch from the scalp, so the weight of extensions distributes evenly. You move methodically through the mid-rows, using a comb guide to maintain even spacing and a clean pattern. As you insert each microloc, palm roll or twist it the same direction so the texture matches. Consistency prevents bulk and looks natural. Once done with 6 to 8 rows, step back and inspect tension. If any locks tug, loosen slightly. Make sure to stagger joints so weights do not align. This reduces scalp strain and extends wear. You finish by trimming and shaping the microlocs to blend with your natural hairline. Precise cutting makes a big visual difference. Once shaped, seal any loose ends with gentle heat or a small crochet loop to secure the cap. Avoid excessive heat to protect hair. If you notice pain or slipping, pause immediately. Loosen the affected units, re-anchor the base about 1/4 inch from the scalp, and inspect for damaged strands. This troubleshooting step fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.